NASDAQ this week has risen in value, but this rise was not so easy because first 2 days the price has risen in value, and then third day the price retraced back down to the first support level 2409.50. From here the price has retraced back up from this area of support, making a bullish pin bar, and then continue to rise the value in the next 2 days, which means the price is currently at the all-time high price level, and we can see where the next resistance is around about 24, we can round this number to 25,000. Weekly time frame shows again bullish candle, nothing different compared to the week before that. Monthly time frame is still bullish because we have several weeks as a bullish candles. So as it looks right now, the price is targeting 25,000 as a round number, which is the next target for the monthly time frame. We have more than a week to close this month, so we'll see how the price behaves next week, but everything is pointing that the price will rise in value because strong bullish momentum, 2-3 weeks only as a bullish candles, daily without so strong bearish candles, only bullish candles, even they are small one, but they are bullish, continue to rise in value. Everything is pointing that the price will continue to rise in value. We can see we have on the 4-hour time frame bullish breakout to confirm it with the next candle, and then continuing to rise in value. So for now, for the NASDAQ, for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, and also the target is currently 25,000 is a round number. If you would like to receive the updates during the week, during the daily time frame, and also 4-hour time frame when there is bullish or bearish breakouts, feel free to check the link below in the description. Join other traders to the premium analysis and receive these updates. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.